So after a bit of scrubbing, you know, with these guys here, and yeah, about to put it in some low odor turpentine. Let's see how we go. And we'll give it a bit of a scrub, and I'll come back with a nice picture. So we've had a bit of scrubbing, a couple passes so far, and they're coming out alright. Here's one. So yeah, pretty good. Main issue is the bottom. So that one's coming up pretty well. Still needs some work. Got to get rid of all those carbon deposits around where the jet comes out from the nozzle part in the middle. Let's have a look at another one. So yeah, see the outer ring where the carbon deposits used to be, and see what remains now. So yeah, pretty good, about 90% gone, but still more to go. And let's take a look at this one. Yeah, that one's a little worse for wear. Needs some more soaking with that one. So let's take a look. Second last one. That one might be the best one so far. So yeah, body still needs a bit of a clean on that one, but you know, we're getting there. Still a lot better than what we started with. And that one still needs some more as well. As you can tell, this is the water that was completely crystal clear with nothing at the bottom when we started, before we started scrubbing. And now look at it. So yeah, used elbow grease with oven cleaner. So yeah, only left it on for about a minute or so at a time, because well, better to get it off quickly and then have to reapply it than have it go too far and eat into something that you don't want it to. Anyways, I hope that's been helpful. Enjoy.